presentation, we will be taking a look at adding sign numbers. We will begin by using the number line to help us understand the rules of adding sign numbers. Here are the results of adding positive numbers we already know to be positive. Now, as for adding negative numbers, we are always moving to the left or negative direction on the number line. Therefore, the result will always be negative. Here's what we can summarize so far. If the numbers you are adding are the same sign, add the magnitudes or number parts, and then keep the sign of those numbers. Now, with opposite signs, you will again start at 0, move one direction, and then the other direction. With the 7 being larger in magnitude, the result is on the left side of 0, 4 units away, or a -4. Here we move 8 to the right and then 5 to the left. We end up on the positive side, 3 units away. The result is a +3. Now, with a couple of examples behind you, how would you figure out the sign and the magnitude without using the number line? Well, 9 is larger in magnitude, therefore the result will be negative. As for the magnitude or number part, pretend both numbers are positive and subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5, and again this is going to be a -5. 6 is larger in magnitude, it's positive, the result will be positive. Again, pretend both numbers are positive and then subtract for the magnitude. 6 minus 2 is 4, your result is a +4. Here's a summary of the problems we've looked at so far. When we are dealing with two numbers opposite in sign, the sign comes from the number largest in magnitude, and then you subtract the numbers for the magnitude of the number part. Go through these examples again, just to make sure that you understand the rules. Here's a summary of subtraction of two numbers of opposite sign. I believe we all know that a number added to its opposite is 0. We'll appreciate this rule when we have many numbers to combine and we happen to have pairs that are opposites, since these can be added together and then dropped out of your sum. My strategy is to first look for opposites and then combine numbers that are of same sign. Since -8 and 8 give us 0, we will drop these out. Since it is easier for me to add than subtract, I combine all terms of like sign as my next step. I don't combine numbers moving from left to right. Again, I combine all the positives and then I combine all the negatives. Remember, if numbers are of the same sign, you can add for the magnitude and then keep that same sign. The negatives combine for -15 and the positives for +11. So this brings us to the last step where we have two terms to combine for the final answer. Since the last two are opposite in sign, we subtract for the magnitude. The final answer is negative due to the 15 having the larger magnitude and it being negative. Now hopefully this will be helpful. Try additional problems to make sure that you are understanding the rules. If necessary, return to the number line to assist you in learning the rules. Again, hopefully this will help. Thank you.